Don't miss this vehicle. Make a great choice today with this must-have ride. Learn more about this vehicle by contacting the dealership today and complete your driving dreams, and is priced below $30,000. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: steering wheel audio controls, remote engine start, chrome mirror caps, universal garage door opener, heated front driver and passenger seats, HD radio, dual zone climate control, remote keyless entry, Sirius satellite radio, tinted glass. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.